Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some Happy Mail unboxing from my dear crafty friend BB of BB's Closet Creations. If you haven't seen her channel, make sure you do. So I went to my post office and found this surprise package. So BB, I am curious to see what is in here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let me just get some scissors. I don't want to cut anything, and surprise mail is always fun to open, and I don't know what BB sent me. This is, oh my gosh, BB, what is this? Oh my goodness, little sneak peek for you guys. Oh my gosh, BB, what is this? Let me just pull out the stuff. Alright. Oh my goodness. And here's her letter. Let me just put this aside and let us read the notes that she sent me. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a beautiful card. You make me very happy. I love handmade cards. So let me just read this real quick. BB, you're so funny. Anyway, I wanted to keep this message private, and I just wanted to tell BB, thank you so much. The feeling is mutual. I'm so happy to have found you and found a friend that is just as passionate as me about paper and paper crafting. And I truly appreciate your friendship. You are an inspiration to me, my dear Beebster. Thank you so much. You make me so very happy, girl. Okay, so here is that, oh my gosh, packed here. What did you put? Let's open it up. So I'm going to put that to the side, but she has gifted me some vintage lace. Oh my goodness. These are rare to come by in our area, believe me. I have looked, but look at these pieces with these pearl beads. Oh my gosh. BB, look at that. That is so pretty. And we have more of these appliques, it looks like. That's so pretty. I'll put that there. I see more lace. Hold on, I have to show you. Oh my goodness. So we have, I love how you package this. Look at this, guys. So she's attached it to one of these, I think, Scantron papers. And we have some more of these vintage eyelet lace trims, I think. Look at how pretty that is. I am excited to put this on my journals. And I spy more here with some yellow and some cream colored ones. These are so pretty. Sorry about the plastic noise. Look at that. I love that light yellow. That's so dainty. And look at this one. Oh my gosh. That's just so pretty. I don't know if I even want to use some of these, but I will. And then we have one more. I want to be able to reuse this too. So we'll put that up there. And I love burgundy, and this is, or I think this is magenta, like a mix of burgundy. But look at that beautiful lace. Wow. Thank you. But there's more, guys. Okay, we have a packet here with, oh my goodness, butterflies. So BB calls her subbies monarch. So, you know, like a play of words for monarch butterfly. She loves butterflies, so I am so thrilled that you have shared some of your wonderful stickers Here with me, we have some pressed flowers. That's so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. Oh, oh wow, I love that. There is so many here. Oh my gosh, BB, thank you for sharing these. Oh, I love that. I love fern actually too. And look at this with the door. And she's also shared some of these paper with me. These are fun for collage. I love using this for my collages, so thank you very much. Wow, look at that paper. We have more of the florals, which I love, and I will be adding to my journals for sure. Oh wow, BB, you're so sweet. You didn't have to send me so much. Oh my gosh, hold on. I just don't want that to get stuck. Oh my goodness, hold on. There is so much here. So she has also gifted some gorgeous cards here. Oh, I love flowers. That's really, thank you, BB. An envelope, and then we have this awesome wolf. I know my daughter Emmy's gonna want this card. She loves wolves. That's awesome. Oh wow, look at this. A pack of wolves too. Emmy's gonna get that. And some gorgeous, oh wow. These are dried. Is that a sticker or a real pressed leaf? How cool. It says Wormwood. So these are handmade cards. Beautiful watering can with flowers. Oh, I love this. I love the blues and the purples in there. That's really pretty. And look, oh my gosh, BB. I love this. One of the first packages I received, well, second one, we did a thrift swap challenge, and I remember her writing a note on a similar card, I think. But this is gorgeous. Look at the bird. She knows I love birds. I'm crazy about birds and always kind of learning about them, especially wild birds specifically. And look at these craft cards with the flowers with matching envelopes. Wow. There is more. Oh my gosh. She's also shared some, oh my gosh, playing cards. Let's see. We have some flowers, tulips it looks like. Oh, I love these. Butterflies. Oh, there's your monarch, BB. That's so cute. I love that blue. And then we have this gorgeous birds. That's so pretty. Wow. And she's also gifted me some stamps. Oh my gosh. I love it. More stamps. And these are always fun to add to your layouts for happy mail, collaging. Look at these little tarts, heart tarts. Oh, the birds. We have the swan. Is this a Christmas one? I think we have some Christmas one. There's a snowman, a wreath. So many fun ones. There's a pineapple. How cool. And look at this gorgeous one here. There is more, guys. Wood veneer of birds on a wire. How pretty is that? She's also gifted me some handmade paper. That's so cool. Thank you. I love that. And what do we have here? More envelopes. Check this out. I've never seen, this is vintage ledger sheets that she shared with me. Love that. But what is this? It's a chart. This is really cool. I've never seen anything like it. Let me know what this is, BB. Graphic controls. Oh, okay. So it's a meter measuring kind of chart thing, maybe for, looks like a vinyl record. That's really cool. That is neat. I love that. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. I'm just going to pull it out of the plastic. She's also shared some wonderful grid paper. This whole pack here is beginning to make my mind think of projects to make. But look at these origami sheets she's also shared with me. Oh, I love that indigo one. How fun are these? Oh my gosh. Some flowers. Oh, I love this. This one has some texture on it. And then this one too. Oh wow. More of these. Oh wow, I love this one too. All of these are really awesome, BB. And there's more. Oh my gosh. How pretty is this watercolor floral sheet here? Where did you get these? Oh, wow, nice. I think Hobby Lobby. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh. That is super fun. And we have some math pages, which are so fun to add to the junk journals. And check it out, she's also sent me either a tea dyed or coffee dyed paper, but I love that lattice kind of look there with the crisscross. I love that texture on this grid paper. That's really awesome, baby. Some floral, a doily. Maps, which are always fun. Oh, yes. New Mexico. We have some butterflies and tea dyed. And finally, we have a song folio here from Nashville, Tennessee. How fun is this? Look at that. Copyright secured. I'm trying to look for the date, but 1948. Wow, how fun. My heart echoes. How cool. This is cool. I'm going to see if my daughter Lil can play some of these pieces. That's really neat. Oh my goodness. BB, thank you so much. Again, a big thank you to BB's Closet Creations. BB, thank you so much for this wonderful surprise pack. I will definitely be putting them all to good use. Check out her channel. She makes some wonderful handmade journals and Happy Mail unboxings as well. Again, thanks for joining me. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.